This girl crazy, man. Look at the color on her, man. I mean, she's so small. 3 months old, compact. What's good, YouTube? It's TP Bullet Count, man, and we're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit that notification button, smash that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. And as you guys know, I like to drop videos every day, man. So, positive thing, man. We've reached 100 subscribers, man. And I'm so excited about that, man. But let's jump straight into this video. As you guys can see, man, it's been nasty all day. Early this morning, man, we got a little sunshine, but it's once again stormy. Like I said, Louisiana, it's weather changed like crazy. So I know I told you guys I was gonna make a video with Scarface, working him out today, but unfortunately, man, like I say, this weather will hit that. So I haven't had the chance to work him out yet with his weight vest and everything. So whenever this weather clear up, man, maybe I can do so. But right now it's nasty out here. I rearranged two of the dog cages inside the dog house. I moved Hot Girl and stacked her on top of Florida Boy, and I put the new pup cage right here in the front where Hot Girl was. The transporter should be here any minute now. We're delivering her, and I can't wait to show you guys her, man. Like I say, she looks amazing, bro. She's 3 months old, and she looks good, bro. She looks real good. Yeah, man. So shout out to Sereno Bullet Count, man, out there in Plant City, Florida. Excuse me, oh, man, selling me that beautiful pup, man. She's amazing, bro. So you guys stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch you in the next scene in the transporter. All right, guys, the transporter has made it. Raining real bad. How you doing? All right. The rain, bad weather. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's beautiful. Look at her, man. Gorgeous girl, man. Thank you so much for bringing her.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
she is so beautiful. Much.
Yes, ma'am. You can set it down. I'm gonna bring it in. You wanna tell them your information or anything? You know.
Yeah, I'm Bonnie with White House Kennels and Transportation. Available U.S. worldwide.
Okay, you heard it here first, man. You know, they can find you at Instagram, anything?
Instagram, Facebook, Bonnie Green, White House Kennels.
Okay, there you go, guys. You know, if you need a pup delivered, hit her up. She'll get you covered. Again, man, thank you so much, man. My name is Antonio.
Nice to meet you, Antonio.
Yeah, safe travels back.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Where'd she go? Oh, she going. Yeah, man. We got her, as I told y'all, man. Come here, girl. Look how short, bro, and compact she is, man. This girl's beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can't really get it. You want to follow me around right now. Being used to everything. Look at her, man. Beautiful, bro. This girl crazy, man. Look at the color on her, man. I mean, she's so small. 3 months old. Compact. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? Look at her, man. So pretty, bro. Man, shout out to Sereno Bullet Count, man, down there in Plant City, Florida, bro, for selling me this Poppy Chulo's daughter, man. This girl's beautiful. Beautiful. Lilac tri-female, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gonna get you some food in a second. I know you're probably hungry. Man, what y'all think about it, man? Where you at? What y'all think about it? I know she hungry. She's sniffing around. Tell me what y'all think in the comments, man. She's gorgeous, man. She's amazing to me. She's amazing. She's amazing. Amazing, bro. I mean, compact and so small, bro. Yeah, man. Full of energy, bro. Full of life. I love it. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? What's up, girl? Say hey. Say hey. Welcome to TP Bullet Camp, baby. Yeah, man. Papa Chulo's son, man. Not son, I'm sorry. Daughter. Yeah, the previous owner, her name is currently, I don't want to say it wrong, it's, Bichota, Bichota, something like that, man. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but he said it stands for like a bad B, you know, the curse word, but I'm not gonna use profanity on here. You know, I may have kids watching the channel and everything, but that's what her name currently stands for. Look at this girl, man. It's amazing. But if I do decide to change the name, man, give me some names, bro. What y'all think I should name her? What y'all think I should name her? Look at this girl, man. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Man, I love it, bro. I love it. I'm try to get her up here on this table right quick, stack her up, see if she want to be still so I can really check her out, man. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Yes, sir. Beautiful, bro. Let me stack her up right quick, y'all. Check her out. No. Don't jump. No. No. Don't you jump. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? Check her out, man. I don't want to jump down, fall or nothing. I'm gonna work with her on this, man. Y'all see it, man. What y'all think? I don't want to jump. She thinking about it. Whoa, see, she almost tried it. No. She tried it. I'm gonna get her down, man. She wanna check her out, bro. Top line, clean, full tail, nice color, bone, chest on her. Amazing, bro. Amazing. But I'm about to go put her in the cage, get her some food and water. I know she's pretty hungry. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. So yeah, man, I had to put her in this cage up here. I had Hot Girl stacked up here, but in this cage here, I already saw that her legs was falling in between those gaps, and I didn't want her to, you know, twist it or anything. So I put Hot Girl back in here for temporarily. I may keep Hot Girl in this spot. When the other cage come in, just leave Hot Girl here, and I'll leave her stacked over here. But man, this girl is gorgeous, man. Like I said, she's 3 months old, bro. But she's so tiny, bro. Tiny. Compact, bro. Like, beautiful color. Beautiful, man. What y'all think about it, man? Give me some names, bro. Check this girl out, bro. Beautiful. Correct bite. No easty-westy feet. Top line straight with a full tail, bro. Like, man. She got a chest on her. Man, this girl amazing, bro. Like, man. I'm in love with her, I'm not gonna lie. What's up, mama? I need a name for her, man. What's up, man? Yeah, all you wanna do is bark. As y'all know, Dior, Rambo, Hot Girl, Scarface, Snowball. I mean, they always cutting up when I put in here, man. Like my first time hearing him bark when I just brought her in here, like he was barking bad, bro, real bad. Like he was trying to get to her. But, I don't know, man. She amazing, bro. Like everything I was looking for, bro. For real. Like, and I'm already thinking of which male she's gonna go to already. Like, it's either gonna be Snowball or Rumbo. I think her and Rumbo will like throw some beautiful color pups. Beautiful color pups. You know, he doesn't have a tail or anything, but what I'm hoping, if I was to take him to her, she would throw the tail. You know, and I mean he already a little boned up. Girthy little fella, man. So add that to that, man. They both small and compact, man. It's gonna be some pretty pups, bro. And if I was to take her to Snowball, he already just girthy, boned up, elbow, big head, neck, shoulder. That wouldn't be a bad breed neither. Yes, sir, man. TP Bullet Camp, man. Y'all see it, man. We working, man. Shout out to Sereno Bullet Camp down there in Plant City, Florida, man. Like I said, man, selling me this Papa Chulo daughter. Man, amazing, bro. Amazing. And Papa Chulo, he's a lilac tri-merle. So his top side of his pad is just full of color. You know, so, man, she got color all in her. All in her, man. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, like I said, I want to thank everybody that's subscribing to this channel, man. Watching these videos, man, it's greatly appreciated. We just hit 100 subscribers, man. Like, we doing big things, bro. We just hit 100 subscribers. Man, now we're on the road to 200, man. So, you guys keep sharing these videos. What I'll do, possibly tomorrow, you guys, tomorrow, I'll, at 8 p.m. Central Time tomorrow, I'll go live and I'll spin the wheel. That way we can get a winner, you know, for the $100 giveaway. So make sure you guys got that notification bell on so you don't miss whenever I go live, you know, so we can get us a winner, man. So now we're on the road to 200 subscribers, man. Y'all continue to like these videos up, comment on them, watch the entire videos. Share it, you know. Tell a friend about us, man. TP Bullet Camp, bro. We're working. I'm choking on, bro. Scarface. I'm choking on, man. What's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, bro? What you choking on? You good? You alright? You alright? Alright, you good. You mad at me? I put you back up to him? Huh? Hi, girl. You mad at me? Huh? You mad at me? I put you back in here, now you mad at me? Tell me something. Tell the people something. You mad? Yes. Look at the chest. Hi, girl. Talk to me, bro. You mad? better not be mad, bro. We got another case coming. She mad, y'all. She feeling type of way. You alright? Yes, sir, man. So everybody pretty much eats different foods. Hey, calm down, man. I'm trying to talk, bro. I'm trying to talk. So, hey, calm down, man. So the new pup, she's on Diamond Dog Food, Florida Boy, Hot Girl, Snowball, and Scarface. Hey. They eat the value pack, and Dior, she's still on the propane. You know, I was, feeding Snowball dog chow that the previous owners was giving him, but I didn't care for how he had his stool looking, so we got him on that value pack now. Like I said, the new pup, she's on that Diamond. I mean, that's what he was feeding her, so that's what I'm gonna continue to feed her. Got her looking good. That's pretty much the end of this video, man. I just wanted to show y'all, man. New pup, bro. Like I say, she's gorgeous, man. Just check her out, bro. Look at the color on her, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. Drop me some names in the comments, man. What I should name her, bro. Drop me some names in the comments. TP Bullet Count, man. We checking out. Y'all have a blessed day.